Today let's have a speaking practice. Using daily use English sentences for kids. The elephant is big. The elephant is big. I have a new eraser. I have a new eraser. The earth is round. The earth is round. The flowers are fresh. The flowers are fresh. Eating fruits is healthy. Eating fruits is healthy. I can see a flag. I can see a flag. The envelope is pink. The envelope is pink. Goats can eat grass. Goats can eat grass. Gorillas are strong. Gorillas are strong. I receive a gift. I receive a gift. I love to eat grapes. I love to eat grapes. The boy play guitar. The boy play guitar. The heart is red. The heart is red. I go to the beach. I go to the beach. It is a golden key. It is a golden key. I see a green frog. I see a green frog. I have two hands. I have two hands. I play with my horse. I play with my horse. This is a beautiful hat. This is a beautiful hat. I build a house. I build a house. Fish can swim. Fish can swim. The igloo is white. The igloo is white. This is an island. This is an island. I use a computer. I use a computer. I drink a juice. I drink a juice. I have a jar. I have a jar. I have a new jacket. I have a new jacket. I play with my kite. I play with my kite. He is a king. He is a king. Kangaroos can jump high. Kangaroos can jump high. I buy a new lamp. I buy a new lamp. I want to drink coffee. I want to drink coffee. We see a rainbow. We see a rainbow. Thanks for watching.